Come with me on a mini Marrakesh trip. It's real clear today. The beautiful island of Trinidad and Tobago. I know I am going to spend all my money here. Nice. No, don't tell me. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is so cute. I am definitely going to be taking this one because it's just so different and unique.
Been able?
Yeah. The wrong one is too hard.
I go to
Cheers. Oh yes, I can't wait for you to go in my belly. Why you eating my fries? Cheers. So pretty. I can't wait to go on bead because the place is so hot. I can't even remember the last time I come to the beach. Actually, the last time would have been the Clifton Hill.
Yeah.
No, using crab thing that was collecting all the shiny stuff.
What? No, I
Because they like
don't
shiny
wanna.
things.
Okay, yeah, that's your fair point. This is my version of vodka because I don't drink. Wow, this is looking so good. Hey guys, so we have finally arrived at Las Vegas and it feels so good to be here because I kept saying I need a beach day, and it's finally here. I'm kind of sad because I literally forgot like all my paints and my canvases at home, but it's been a while since I've just came to the beach and just enjoy the scenery, enjoy the atmosphere, the food, and just taking the vibe. I feel like as an artist we are extra sensitive to everything and we pay more attention to everything around us. I think what is most important right now at this point in my life is just absorbing every moment and just, I don't want to say live every day as if there's no tomorrow, but just live every day carefree, live every day showing love for everyone around you, show love for your neighbors, for your friends, and obviously your family, because you just never know, you really don't. And that's why I like doing things like this. If you feel like you're running out of inspiration, out of motivation to just create, just get outside. Nature is like one of the biggest inspirations out there. I'm going to chill out and I will see you guys in the next video. So my husband loves snorkeling and he would have found some gems on his seabed. So let's see what he actually found. He always finds like the best gems ever. And that is the end of the video, guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.